Good morning, students. We are learning chapter 2, quadratic equations. In the last video, we have studied how to solve the different questions from the practice set 2.1. Okay. Now today we are going to study to find the factors of quadratic polynomials. Students, already you have studied to find the factors of quadratic polynomials in 9th standard itself. But today we are going to revise the activity which is given to you in your textbook on page number 34. So what is that activity? Find the factors of the following polynomials. Now here you can see the polynomial. One of the example of polynomial is given x square minus 4x minus 5. So how to find the factors of the polynomials? Just we are going to revise. So the very first step is that to find the value of AC. What is A? A is the coefficient of x square. So A is 1, multiply what is the C? C is minus 5. C is constant term and we have to take that constant term with its negative or positive, whatever sign will be there. Okay. So 1 multiply minus 5 is minus 5. Then what is the next step? After finding the value of AC, whatever the number is there, divide this number, okay, or find the factors of this number whose multiplication is minus 5 but whose addition is minus 4x. Okay, so which are the numbers whose multiplication is minus 5 but addition is minus 4? So the numbers are minus 5 plus 1. Okay, if I multiply minus 5 and 1, we get minus 5 is the answer. Okay, and if I add these two numbers, I get minus 4. Okay, so therefore we are taking these two numbers. Now what I am going to do, I will write the first term as it is and last term as it is. First and last term as it is. Now this middle term we have to split into the two numbers, and which are this number we find out. Okay, so first minus 5x. Okay, here we are going to put x and plus 1x. Now what is the next step? We find these four terms now. Okay, now the first two terms, from the very first two terms, what can be taken common? We have to think. So here I can see that x can be taken common. So in the bracket x minus 5. Okay, now next two terms we can take one common. पण आता स्टुडंट्स इथे काहीच कॉमन आपल्याला दिसत नाहीये नेक्स्ट टू टर्म्स मध्ये. मग जेव्हा नथिंग इज कॉमन, दॅट टाइम वी कॅन टेक वन कॉमन, बिकॉज वन इज मल्टिपल ऑफ इच अँड एव्हरी नंबर. कोणत्याही नंबरचा मल्टिपल हा वन असतोच. म्हणजे कोणत्याही नंबरला वननी मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर त्याच्या व्हॅल्यूमध्ये काहीही फरक पडत नाही. ओके, सो आय एम टेकिंग वन कॉमन इन द ब्रॅकेट एक्स मायनस 5. ओके, सो नाउ फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टर्म अँड फ्रॉम द सेकंड टर्म we can see x minus 5 is the same term. Okay, so I am taking x minus 5 in the common. So what is left behind? X minus 5 common घेतल्यानंतर काय राहील इथे? x plus 5. So which are the factors of this given polynomial? These are the x minus 5 multiply x plus 1. These are the two factors of the given polynomials. Now second example is different one. Okay, here what is given? 2m square minus 5m. So how to find the factors? आता इथे factors कसे find out करायचे? तर we can see m is the same, okay, in two terms. So m can be taken common, so that in bracket 2m minus 5 left behind. So which are the factors here? M multiply 2m minus 5. These are the two factors. Okay, m and 2m minus 5 are the factors of given polynomial. Then the third example, a square minus b square. Students, we have studied an identity a square minus b square in 8th standard also. I think you have studied, and in 9th standard also this identity we have studied. That is very very important. A square minus b square is always a plus b multiply a minus b. Okay, means if we multiply these two bracket, again we will get the a square minus b square. So this is an identity, means left hand side and right hand side are exactly equal. Okay, after multiplication these two terms we get this term. Okay, so now we are going to write this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a bracket square minus 25 is the square of 5, so 5 square, it is equal to a plus b a minus b. So a plus 5 multiply a minus 5. So these are the two factors of the given polynomial. Students, there are this year we are going to study different methods of solving quadratic equations. Out of that, the first method is factorization method, means how to find the solution of given quadratic equation by factorization method. Secondly, by completing square method, and thirdly by formula method. So very first method today we are going to discuss is the solution of quadratic equation by factorization. Students, just we have discussed in the activity, very first activity was x square minus 4x minus 5. Okay, this is the polynomial, but when we put the sign equal to and I write after equal to sign 0, then this can be called as an equation. पहा हे आता आपण ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये पाहिलं की x स्क्वेअर मायनस 4x मायनस 5 हे पॉलिनॉमियल आहे, बट जेव्हा मी इक्वल टू 0 असं लिहिलं पुढे, नाउ इट बिकम्स अन इक्वेशन. आता याला आपण इक्वेशन म्हणायचं. आणि कसलं इक्वेशन आहे हे, कोणतं इक्वेशन आहे? क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन, बिकॉज इट्स डिग्री इज 2. ओके, हायेस्ट पॉवर इज 2. नाउ आता आपण पाहिलं की कसे फाइंड आउट करायचे फॅक्टर्स. ओके, सो आय हॅव रिटन फॅक्टर्स of this given equation. Okay, x minus 5 multiply x plus 1 is equal to 0. These are the factors because we are studying factorization method. Okay, तर याच पद्धतीने फॅक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत आणि इक्वल टू 0 लिहायचं. Now if the multiplication of two numbers is 0, it means obviously the first number is equal to 0 or the second number is equal to 0. Okay, now no need to write the bracket. X minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now find the values of x. X is equal to minus 5 will be plus 5, or x is equal to this plus 1 will be minus 1. Therefore 5 and 1 are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so in this way you can find out the solution of the given equation by factorization method. First we have to find the factors, and afterwards the multiplication of two factors is 0. It means at least one number, at least one factor is equal to 0. Okay, and from that we find out the value of x. Okay, so in this way these are the solution of the given quadratic equation. Okay, thank you students.